welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be doing the unboxing of this Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 along with the bookcase cover. This is the silver color variant, 3 plus 32 GB, and I'll show you all the pros and cons of this tab as I've been using this tab from last 2 months. And I'll make this video simple, short, and specific so that everyone, all of us, can get it. So let's get started. Before coming to the contents of the box, we can talk about the back case cover. With the case, we get this leather finishing with a hard plastic at the back and this magnetic in the front. And now if we come to the box, we can see this Samsung logo and the tab logo badging and the tab made over here. If we come to the box, we can see the tab over here. From over here we get this 7.5 watt charger, and the tab supports till 15 watt. We get this type C cable, and if we come to this side, we get this quick start guide that literally no one reads, so we should go this. We get this warranty card, and then we get this SIM ejector tool. And if we come to the tab at the back, we can see this metallic body, metal silver and grayish sort of a color. Samsung badging over here, this line passing through all over. No flashlight, which is not something new over here. If we talk about here, we get this camera sensor over here. On this side, we get this volume rocker, power button, and mic. Down we can see 2 speakers plus 1 mic and a type C rocker along with 3.4mm jack. Over here we get this SD card tool, and the storage is expanded up to 1 TB. And we get this also, this is the SIM variant, so we can even put a SIM over here. And on the top also we get this 2 more speakers, so we get in total quad speakers, which is the best thing over here. If you guys are scared about the size of the tab, then no worries, I'll show you how big the tab is. If I compare this tab with the Samsung Tab 3, you can see how big the tab is. Or if I compare with my other tab, that is Amazon Tab Generation 8, you can see how big the tab is. So yeah, with terms of size, you don't have to face any issues. I just want to thank the sponsors for sponsoring this video. This video is being sponsored by the red color subscribe button, which is just below the video. You can go and help our sponsors by pressing that button and turning into gray. So now let's get back to the video. Talk about the tab at the back, we can see a line passing through the tab, which gives a very nice feeling. It is metallica from back and metal. And then if we talk about from the front, we get this white color with black bezels. The bezels are sort of curved, and it is a very sleek design. Gives a boxy feeling. We have 4 quad speakers, so we get this type C charger. And then in the front, if we see, we get 1 camera and a sensor. At back we get no flashlight but 1 8 megapixel camera, and this gives a very boxy feeling. Come to the designing part of this tab, we can see this line passing through the tab, and then it is silver in color with the metallic feel, and it is metal from the back. We get quad speakers. These speakers are amazing on this tab. If we come to the front part, we can see 1 camera with a sensor. The camera at the front is 5 megapixel and the camera at the back is 8 megapixel. We don't get any flashlight on this tab. This gives a very sleek design. This design is amazing. The bezels are curved, and then this gets Qualcomm Snapdragon 662. And if we talk about the display size, it is 10.4 inch, the same that you get on MG Hector Plus. But the camera on this Tab A7, it's not of a thing that I would really appreciate, because if we compare it with the 24,000 rupees price, the camera is very bad. And you can see, if we compare it with this phone, you can see it's very clear, colorful. But as soon as we get into this, it is very black and white, and the even in front of this with the colors, it gets very blurred. While holding, you didn't face any issues, and you feel the tab very sturdy. If you look at the design and the display is as usual very amazing of the Samsung tab. If you see from the front, you can see and feel a bit pixelated with the tab, but the design is just amazing, and the quality of response is very amazing. Because the tab is so big, so that's why the weight distribution over here is just amazing. You don't feel it so heavy, and while holding it also, it gives a very premium feeling, and you can feel that it is not falling from anywhere. Guys, if we talk about the display and audio quality test, then here is an example. You can see and look at the clarity of the video and the audio quality.
It is a world seemingly familiar,
It's a bit pixelated, but that's all right for a tab.
A young planet called Earth.
Now, if we talk about the tab in more detail, we just get only one variant on this tab, that is 3 plus 32 GB. You get the SD card slot and SIM slot, and you can expand the storage up to 1 TB. If we talk about the battery life, it's 7440 milliamp hours that lasts for around 20 hours. And if we talk about the charging time, it takes around 6 to 7 hours for full charge, because the charger is just 7.5 watt. If we talk about the multitasking and productivity, it's just amazing, because we can make presentations, we can use YouTube very seamlessly, and it doesn't face any problem. I won't recommend you for playing it games, because it has a bit heating issues, and it's not a gaming tab as such. If we talk about the files, all the files will be safe thanks to the knock security offered on this tab. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video till here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and sharing the video to others. And please let us know in the comment section how do you want us to improve, and which feature you like the most on this tab. Until the next time, bye bye. Thank you, and we will meet in the next one.